I just want to go to college like my parents did and my brother, but I definitely want to get a job, that would match my speed and the job that fits me.
We felt like at the time it saved our family. It means everything. He was treated with such respect. I was treated with respect. We were listened to all the way up.
I want to see people that have differences be able to work in the workforce. I mean, it's changed my life. I think my family is very proud of what I've done.
We don't just throw them out to the wind and say, good luck, come on back when you're ready. We train on it and we give intensive support in those first couple weeks, and then we fade it and we tell them, we want you to do this on your own. And they are so happy and so proud of themselves when they do it on their own that it makes it all worth the tears in the beginning, the fear, the anxiety.
I feel like I've changed just like how professional I am and how much I've grown, like learning about jobs and taxes and all that. I just like the people and like and just everything that I learned from it.
I feel like I've climbed a mountain and climbed back down again. I think it's one of the greatest programs that I've ever been in, and probably wouldn't be as confident as I am right now without the program.
There's nothing like Project Search. It is the Ivy League, if you would, of transitional programs for kids who have disabilities like my daughter. It's like she went from a high school kid to a college kid in 6 months.
It just means the world. I was very, stressed out about it, but this is like, it's a gift. I can't describe it.